100% financing? The answer is absolutely you can. Hey everybody, what's up? It's Jeff Trevarthen, Jeff the Mortgage Pro. Thanks for watching today. I love it when you like my videos. Please go ahead and click on those. It helps get the algorithm out to more people to get my message out there on YouTube. I'm shooting to be the #1 loan officer on YouTube. I've got a long ways to go, and all of your support really helps me out. So thanks for doing that, and thanks for your support for this. So today we're talking about 100% financing. It used to be something back in the day before the big financial crisis happened in 2008. That you could do that on a lot of different types of loans out there. And then it kind of went away, but there's still one loan out there. There's actually a couple of them, but the one we're talking about today is the VA loan that can do 100% financing. That means you don't have to put any down payment down on a property. It doesn't mean you don't need a little bit of money, because you're going to have to pay for some closing costs, but you don't have to put any money down on a VA loan going forward. So let's talk about some of the requirements and who's eligible for a VA loan for 100% financing. So first of all, you have to be an active duty service member or an honorably discharged veteran. And there's lots of different categories within those that we could break down further, but we'll just leave it at that for right now. You probably know if you're qualified or eligible for a VA loan. And if you're not, go ahead and reach out to me and I can help you out with that. Credit requirements, there is really no credit score required by the VA. However, most lenders have some overlays in there to help them with risk of doing loans. The lender that I currently work with right now has a minimum of a 580 credit score. But if you're below that and you need somebody to talk to, I've got some referrals for you so I can help you go out and meet those other lenders and maybe able to help you out with loans with lower FICO scores. Loan terms issued by the VA. These are either a 30-year fixed mortgage or a 15-year fixed mortgages. Remember that mortgages are front-end interest loaded. So for the first 10 years, you're going to be paying mostly interest on a 30-year fixed mortgage. And then the last 20 years of that loan, you would be paying down the principal balance a lot more. It takes 10 years to be able to get that loan first though. So just remember, 30 years or 15-year fixed mortgages are primarily the ones available for VA financing. There are some ARM products available, but I don't know if I would look at those right now. I would stay with the 30-year fixed most likely, okay? Fixed or ARM loans are available. Again, you can do 30-year fixed mortgages, 15-year fixed mortgages. ARM loans, you can do a 5-year fixed or a 7-year fixed mortgage. And then after those 5-year or 7-year periods, the loans would adjust on a yearly basis. And again, I don't know if I would look at those right now, but they are options for you if you decide that you want to get one of those loans and do 100% financing on a VA loan. VA loans require impound or escrow accounts. So what is that? So what that means is you have to set up an account with your lender. Whoever's servicing your loan will set up an account for you that's going to have a certain amount of months worth of reserves of property taxes and homeowners insurance in that impound account. So when they come due, whether it's once a year or twice a year like California is and some other states, that impound or escrow account will pay your property taxes for you, and it will also pay your homeowners insurance for you when it comes due once a year. So that's usually on the year anniversary of when you get the loan. They'll repay that homeowners insurance for you. So VA loans require you to have an impound or escrow account. It's called either one depending on where you are in the country. And then lastly, remember that whenever you're doing a mortgage loan, they're due on the first of the month. That's when the payments are due for mortgages. HELOCs might be a little bit different. Those are second mortgages, but whenever you're doing a VA loan with 100% financing, the mortgage payment is going to be due on the first of the month, and it's going to be late on the 15th of the month. And then if you're 30 days late, then that's when you're going to get in some trouble. So try to stay away from being 30 days late on your mortgage. Make sure you make your mortgage payment on time, okay? If you have any questions at all about 100% financing and how you can get that if you're a veteran or a VA loan, I'd love to be a great resource for you. Please make sure you reach out to me. I'm going to leave my calendar link down below called Calendly. You can click on that. Let's schedule an appointment. You can chat with me for 15, 20 minutes, 30 minutes or so, however long you need. I'd love to be a resource for you and help you get your next VA loan with 100% financing. Have a great day, guys. Talk to you soon. See you on the next show. Bye.